Well, congratulations. Put your email in the box. You're like this far away from getting your free friend disconnector. Is actually this software right here, friend disconnector, account set up. It's just that one software out of literally this whole cup is full. It's full of tier 5 softwares that we built. But anyways, you're really close. All you need to do now is check your email address. You'll have an email just like this. All right, so just click on that, and all you got to do is click that button right there. Once you click that button, all that will happen is you'll receive one more email address. You'll receive one more email, and that will contain your account logins. So if you want to get access, again, this is a software that we normally sell for $60 a month. If you don't believe me, just go to www.frienddisconnector.com, and you'll see there we're selling the software for $9.99 a month for the basic account, plus an extra $50 a month upsell on the pro account. But we're giving it to you for free. All you have to do, again, is you're so close. All you have to do is literally go into your email. You're going to see some email. Hopefully you can see it. You're going to see some email just like this. So all you got to do is click on that email and click this button that says set up my account now. And you'll get one more email, and that will have your login information where you can log in and you can get started using the software right now for free as a gift from me. And yes, I will be sending you some emails in the future. If you want to unsubscribe from those emails, just look at the bottom. There's a link. Click unsubscribe, and then you can just keep the free software and not get anything else from me.